Xiaomi is introducing its new smartphone at the price of 287 US dollars, and that is Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. The smartphone has an amazing specifications. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Smartphone will be powered by one of the fastest chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. And to give more power this phone, there will be an octa-core processor with AMOLED touchscreen display within 1.40 and coming with resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels with 6.83 inches big screen size, and refresh rate will be 120 Hz. And for best graphic results, there will be a GPU of Adreno. There will be 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. There will be dual camera system with a 50 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and there is a 20 megapixel front snapper. There will be 7550 mAh big battery with 90 watt fast charging support. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.